Pulavi Naka, everyone. How's it going? Hey, we're looking at the Malau ferry boat access right there. All the big ships coming to Vanua, Levu, and Sugar City of Labasa. Right there, that is where they offload all the sugar and they distribute that, not only just here in Fiji in the South Pacific and Southern Hemisphere, but all over the world. Malau right there, and just behind that, Korovatu Beach, where Jason and I were earlier today. And yeah, we have some properties over there that you're gonna love as well. We hope you're having an amazing day. Today we are on Fiji's second largest island of Vanua, Levu, about 30 minutes from Labasa town, where they can have a nice big airport, and you get transfers from Nandi international and domestic airports. Under an hour you can be here, and you can see again the piers are just there, right there, those boats getting ready to, and then there's Nawi Island over here. And we have, right now we're standing on top of 50 acres of freehold land, and it is gorgeous out here. And here with Jason doing his drone work right there, and Faisal, local celebrity right there, and he's a landowner. He has a property right over here, and he knows this place great. If you want to come out here and invest in Fiji or this 50 acres of freehold land, he's going to let you know all about this place. There's a little beach area over here, all going around here. We have a nice resort actually for sale called Palm just over this hillside here that is adjacent to this property, and this is 50 acres of freehold land, and then Palm is another 11 or so acres off of that side. There you see one of the houses right there. That is on the 50 acres. They started it and didn't finish, ended up heading back to North America. And so that gives you a nice heavy lifting if you want to have a structure ready to go. We're going to head over there shortly to take a look at it. And there's some really nice inner islands around here. And Faisal just told us a nice secret. Anybody out there love doing water sports, maybe some diving, some kayaking, some fishing, but Fiji is also known for world-class surfing. And a lot of people think, oh, that means cloud break, that means restaurants and frigates and all those world-class surf breaks. But you know what, right out here, right off this island right here, there's some incredible surf breaks, and not a lot of people know about it. He said people from Nawi Island, which is the third largest island, will actually come over here in their boats and surf right out here as well. So if you're a surfer and you love water sports, you're looking for freehold land, affordable investment, you have a house already started for you. And we're about 30 minutes from Labasa Airport, and very, very quick drive, about an hour and a half or so, maybe a little less from here, about an hour to Savusavu. And there's a lot of yachts and super yachts there. The new Nawi development going on over there, and the super yachts are coming in for that. And there's some great hotels over there. A lot of people from Labasa and up here in the northern part of Vanua, Levu, go out there to Savusavu. In fact, famous motivational speaker Tony Robbins has a place out there called Namale. And if you're a diver, Jean-Michel Cousteau, son of the famous underwater celebrity Jacques Cousteau, has a resort out there, and it's very famous for families and children. And they come out and they explain all the different things going on with the oceanography and how we're affecting the ocean and its marine life. And they have said, Jean-Michel Cousteau has said that Fiji, out of all the places in the world that they've been diving, is one of their favorite places, and that's why they invested here in Fiji with the resort. But there's so much to see and do here. In fact, I have another little treasure that Faisal showed us, and he was digging up, and I'm going to bring it over here to you. Okay, everybody, here we go. What do we have here? Anybody have an idea? It's orange. Very healthy, anti-inflammatory. Can be quite expensive around the world. Anybody? Turmeric right here. Growing wild right over here. And in fact, Faisal gave us a couple little samples over here. He was kind enough to give us, but he said it goes O'Barron. It's growing all over here, right on the property we are standing on. So if you buy this 50-acre freehold land, guess what? All you can eat turmeric. And this is a huge product right now out of Fiji. Because it's such a high margin product, they're starting to export not only turmeric, but ginger is another one that they're exporting out of Fiji. And Fiji, and especially Labasa and Vanua Levu, are actually known for sugar. But not only sugar, they're starting to plant a lot of rice here as well. But the land is so fertile. There's a lot, you can see some of the sugar cane down there. A lot of things growing here, but you definitely got to come here and see it. We love going out and seeing these beautiful properties. We're part of the fun part of the job. If you want to come to Fiji and you don't want to retire and you want to do some work, well, you give us a call and you can come join us with all these little fun adventures that we're on every day. And for those of you watching our videos, we say Vinaka Vaka Levu. Thank you so much. Oh, look at the birds getting on camera here too. See? There you go. A lot of good bird watching here too, as a matter of fact. There's some species of birds that are only here in the Fijian Islands, and some plants and beautiful flowers as well growing here. And of course, all the incredibly fresh and organic produce, like those delicious coconuts, papayas, mangoes, all those tropical fruits that you see in the markets that you're thinking, whoa, that's so expensive. Well, you come here and you can get them all in heaps on the roadside for almost nothing, and you'll get it with a smile and happy Fijian face. So I hope we've given you a lot to look at. This beautiful Vanua. That's how you say land here in Fiji, Vanua. And it is just spectacular. And we say, Wananavu! That is awesome. Look at those views. So we're going to go check out the house. 50 acres, freehold land on Fiji's second largest island of Vanua Levu. You fly from Nandi International Airport up to Labasa, and it's about just about an hour flight up here and about a 30-minute drive to this very property, 50-acre freehold land. And we do again have a nice little resort called Palmlay just on the other side. So if you're interested, we want to hear from you. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051 or on WhatsApp at +1 480 444 6688. And don't be shy. Email us. Go to info at professionalsfiji.com. And we look forward to hearing from you and seeing you here, right here in the South Pacific. And it is a beautiful day. And if you're a surfer, there's that secret spot right there. Whoop, right over there. All right. Have an amazing day, everybody. And as we say in Fiji, senga na lenga, no worry, no hurry. We're chilling on Fiji time, and Faisal's gonna go show us around. The drone is back. That means we're off to our next adventure. All right, see you, Jason. Mode. Mode.